Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes using the ABBYY BCR app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. And also check out the links in the description. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. And when you start using the app, obviously you will see this page because you didn't scan any cards or QR codes. Now to scan a QR code, it is very easy. You just have to tap on the top right corner of the screen on this little QR code icon, and then you have to choose the take a photo side, and when you tap on it, you can scan a QR code, a card, or a document using the camera on your device. You can obviously use your iPhone, your Android phone, or even a tablet. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can use it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and check out the links in the description. Bye bye.